look, he looks different, doesn't he?
And I was watching you and Jamie. I was listening to y'all kind of reliving the St. Lucia trip that we had.
Yes, didn't we have a ball?
So much fun. I've got some great memories from that trip.
It was so much fun. And we also had some great food, didn't we, Bobby?
Yeah, we did.
And in honor of that, we're gonna make coconut orange cashew rice.
All right, so I've got our pot right here.
All right.
A couple of tablespoons of olive oil.
I think 1.5 is what we're looking for.
Okie dokes. Just enough to get it going.
And I'm gonna squeeze the juice of this whole orange in there with that rice.
Okay. 1 whole orange we're mixing in with our olive oil.
This is a big...
They are big oranges. I've got another orange here that I'm gonna section out. So when the rice is done, we're gonna toss them in, right? So we can have the whole sections of the orange. All right, so Sonny Boy, put us about a cup and a half of rice in there.
In just a second, we're gonna get to the coconut milk. And I'm gonna spill a little rice in your kitchen while I'm at it.
That's all right. We're just gonna kind of brown this rice off. Not really brown it, but we're gonna give it a nice little start. And son, if you would put a teaspoon of salt.
Little pinch?
No, about a teaspoon.
Well, I'm gonna pinch.
Okay, we'll pinch again.
I'm pinching. Here we go. All right, I got a 1/3 cup of water, and I'm gonna add a 14-ounce container of coconut milk. Do you remember the fishing trip? We've all got our favorite memories from this trip to St. Lucia. The fishing trip was really, really awesome.
We saw these whales.
14-ounce container of coconut milk. We saw whales, and then what did you see? You saw the back of your eyelids after a very short time.
Listen, y'all, when I get on our little boat, I go to sleep.
We're going fishing, we go out, and Mama goes to sleep. So Jamie and I are just goofing off on the boat, and there's one fish on that boat, y'all. It had been caught that morning, and that fish was frozen. Jamie and I decided to put that fish on the hook and let that fish out and wake you up, startle you awake. Say, Mama, there's a fish on, there's a fish on. And Mama started reeling that fish in.
Y'all, I was beside myself with excitement.
You're not half as beside yourself as I was. It was hilarious.
Beside myself.
All right, this coconut rice is beginning to thicken up a little bit.
But yeah, Bobby, we're gonna let the rice simmer for about 20 minutes.
Feel like I'm back in St. Lucia, Mama.
I know. I'm fixing to toss in the orange.
So the rice looks and smells delicious.
Bobby, our rice looks wonderful.
It do.
All right, pass me a fork. Thank you. Maybe we might need to do the rice business instead.
Say it, talk it, talk it.
This is fabulous.